Hello students, I am Pushpraj Gupta, Assistant Professor of Basic Science Department from Oriental College of Technology Bhopal. I am going to present a presentation on topic double integral and its application. Double integral. If fxy be two variable function of x and y which is defined in a closed region R of xy plane, then the double integral of fxy in region R is denoted by double integration R fxy dx dy, and it is defined as double integration R fxy dx dy equal to integration x1 to x2 integration y1 to y2 fxy dx dy. Evaluation of double integral. Double integral over a region R may be evaluated by two successive integration. In other words, the method of evaluating the double integrals depend upon the nature of the curve bounded the region R. Suppose the region R be bounded by the curve x equal to x1, x equal to x2 and y equal to y1, y equal to y2, that is the double integration R fxy dx dy becomes integration x1 to x2 integration y1 to y2 fxy dx dy. The order of integration is depend on the nature of limits in the region R. Case first, if R is the region bounded by the curve x1 equal to f1y, x2 equal to f2y, and two straight line y equal to b1 and y equal to b2, then the integral becomes integration b1 to b2 f1y to f2y fxy dx dy. If R is the region bounded by the curve y equal to phi 1x, y to phi 2x, and two straight lines x equal to a1, x equal to a2, then the integral becomes this. Case third, if R is bounded by the straight lines x1 equal to a1, x2 equal to a2, and y1 equal to b1 and y2 equal to b2, both the limits are constant, then this integral is like symmetric. Application of double integral. Area by double integration, area equal to integration a to b f1x to f2x dx dy. Volume of under a surface, volume equal to double integration fxy dx dy equal to a to b f1x f2x fxy dx dy. Double integral in polar form. X can be written as r cos theta, y can be written as r sin theta, and dx dy is r dr d theta, where theta tan inverse y by x and r under root x square plus y square. These are the question. Question first, evaluate double integration 0 to 2, 0 to 1 x square plus xy square dx dy. Here we have to first integrate with respect to y, then x. Integration of x square is x square y because 1 is constant, and xy square xy cube by 3, limits are 0 to 1. After putting these limit, the integral becomes 0 to 2 x square plus x by 3, and after integrate this with respect to x, we have x cube by 3 plus x square by 6, and limits are 0 to 2. After taking limit, we have 8 by 3 plus 4 by 6, that is 10 by 3. Come to next question. Evaluate double integration 0 to 1, 0 to 3 x square plus 3y square dx dy. Let I is this integral, and first integrate with respect to x, that is integration of x square is x cube by 3, and integration of 3y square with respect to x is 3y square x, and limits are 0 to 3. After applying these limits, we have 9 plus 9y square dy, and integrate this with respect to y, that is we have y plus y cube by 3, 9 is common here, and after taking limits of y 0 to 1, we have 12. 12 is the answer. Come to next question. Evaluate integration 0 to 1 integration x to under root x square plus y square dx dy. First we integrate this integral with respect to y. Integration of x square is x square y because we take 1 here, 1 is a constant, plus integration of y square is y cube by 3. After putting limit x and root x, we have integral becomes integration 0 to 1 x square root x minus x plus 1 upon 3 x cube by 3 minus x3 dx. After this, integrate first multiplied these steps, we have x to the power 3 by t minus x cube, and integrate this with respect to x, we have 4 by 3 2 by 5 x to the power 5 by 2 minus x 4 by 4, and limits are 0 to 1. Applying these limit, we have 1 by 5 is the answer. Come to next question. Evaluate double integration e to the power 2x plus 3 by dx dy. R is the triangle bounded by x equal to 0, y equal to 0, and x plus y equal to 1. Suppose this is this integral take I, since region R bounded by these lines, hence x lies between 0 to 1 and y lies between 0 to 1 minus x. Integral I becomes integration 0 to 1 minus x e to the power 2x plus 3 by dx dy. E to the power 2x plus 3y can be written as e to the power 2x into e to the power 3y, and integration of e to the power 3y with respect to y is e to the power 3y upon 3, and limits of y are 0 to 1 minus x. Apply these limit, we have 1 by 3 integration 0 to 1 e to the power 2x e to the power 3 1 minus x minus 1. That is 1 by 3 integration 0 to 1 e to the power 3 minus x minus e to the power 2x. Integrate this with respect to x, we have 1 by 3 to the power 3 minus x upon minus 1 minus e to the power 2x upon 2. Limits are 0 to 1. Taking these limits, we have 1 by 3 minus 3 square by 2 plus e cube plus 1 by 2. Thank you students for listening this lecture.